Well, I must say, Paxton, Mr. Homo, and Ivy, they look like a pretty sweet and beautiful family. If now Melita was to go out of the picture and go back to where they first were, is it where it was? Yeah. So that for me looked like a very beautiful picture frame because now they are so happy, they're all laughing, it's jolly. But Mr. Homo refused to have Mutepa. Then he said he was gonna leave them to catch up, to leave Paxton and the mother to catch up before they can go to school. But then that conversation went a little bit deeper when Paxton was saying, you know what, ke a tlhaloganya gore o buile everything is a mashup, mara ke santsane ke na le dipotso tse ngata-ngata and ha ona dikarabo. And then Ivy says, you know what, I am going to be answering every questions that you have and I will make sure gore ke araba ka botshepehi. And Paxton was saying, ho ke a o kopa he, from today onwards ha sana maka kopo mpolele nnete gore ntho e irahetse or ha ya iragala, because how busy umbolela maka nje e nkutlwisa botlhoko. Then she agreed that she was only going to tell nothing but the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skim Sam Dimadekwana Sanvenan Abshin Molweni Minjani Hipokila Hingongwina. So namuhla ka nong kwa hina wa Skim Sami kuma ko re kahle, looking at the fact that Paxton was experiencing bullying at school. The colleagues, is it colleagues? No, the learners or the students. And as from colleagues to learners. Okay, so the core students were bullying him, saying that he needs to walk with his own 2 feet because they are not disabled. So he shouldn't be a disabled because they have turned the entire school into a therapy session, because now we have to be taking care of him. Don't talk like this, don't walk like this, because now when we do, it's now a problem. So bathi lalela sifuna uhambe ubaleke ngenyawo zakho zombili. And I don't know if Paxton fall into the trap of trying to walk, but again, it looks like he was confident that he was going to do it. Now, on some more pressing issues. So, remember the meeting that Kwezikazi had with Ukubas and Unkosi was listening to? Gosi decided that he was going to meet up with Mr. Kubas to just explain his side of the story. Prior to that, he went to the restaurant to check if he still has the recording where it shows Guti Kwezikazi is the one that is involved. Kawburaya, this guy, Gumed. Now, guys, who is who in the jungle here? Because now I'm so confused because Ukwezikazi is crying foul ngapa, saying Guti, she was all this time, I thought Uri Kwezikazi's hands were free, were clean. Candy, what is going on? Am I the only one that is slow, or what is going on? Don't miss something somewhere somehow. Because now, if Nkosi has a footage that shows Ukwezi on the act, then who is who in the jungle? Because now Ungosi says, you know what, Mr. Kubas, if you want to nail me, then I will not go down without fighting for myself. I actually have an original video of this and I can prove this in court. I don't want to go to bang fage bang sulele ngamthotho inyamba ningayityanga, because now she's angry because she then realized ukuthi I was a little married. Ha, ahle ukuba sithi little married. Wow. Now on the other hand, uPretty Siakamela realized ukuthi i-client yakhe Mrs. Chibase has disappeared on her and gave her a voucher of 25,000 saying that goodbye whatever. And then she tried calling her and she couldn't get hold of her, realized that she blocked her. While she walks to the cafe and then met the colleague, he then showed her the picture that they posted together. Abo Love lives here. So they did not divorce, actually. They did not want to proceed with a divorce. I think they were just seeking for attention from each other, because they went to Venda together and it was hashtag the Chibases, hashtag Shumela Venda, hashtag Toendo, hashtag whatever it was. So now Pretty was so upset that how did umuntu why angenza kanje vele, why angenza slim. Now, Kwezi is busy crying foul, saying that she does not feel safe with her child. She needs to check into the hotel. Kuba said you need to stay at home just so that everything can look normal. Because if you do, you're gonna raise suspicions. Ganti, what is going on? So now that will be calling that will be calling yourself to be unsafe. Unkosi tells the it's not a bartender, that guy umsiza a hotel with a cafe would say you don't have to sneak up on me like that. He was so scared when he came around.